Hey everyone. So I think we got into this puzzle assembly thing. So we've decided to do a second vlog, and this time it's a step up from the previous puzzle, which was just kind of an experiment. So now we're now doing 1,000-piece puzzle of Van Gogh's Starry Night, and this is a Ravensburger puzzle. So this is all good, a little bit more challenging, but as per last time, the edges have been put together so we could frame it and do yet another time lapse. So those black things there you see are obviously the tripod legs. And yeah, anyway, shortly the puzzle assembly will begin, and we'll take the time-lapse pictures every 25 pieces. So yeah, see you later. Alright, just checking in, looking at the progress. There's not much, because apparently the degree of difficulty on this puzzle is a little bit on the high side compared to the first one that was done, the 500-piece one. So there's some sorting going on outside of the puzzle to kind of get the larger patches added onto the main puzzle. So yeah, this will take a while. I'll check back again another time, hopefully with more progress to show. Otherwise, see you later. Alright, just checking in where it's at. There's some quite a bit of progress since the last time we checked in, but there's still quite a bit of gaps to fill in, so this will take a little bit longer, but at least we've got progress, and you know what they say, progress is good. See ya. And we're back with some an update on the progress of the puzzle assembly. So from this vantage point you can see that there's a bit of progress over the last little while. So probably another day or so for completion. So I'll check back then. See ya. Alright, so we're here on in kind of a secluded area where we have an unobstructed view of this pretty cool, huh? So we've been cooped up in the house for a few days, so at least now it's a nice day. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so this will be a good time to test the A6400 with the Cell 18105 lens and see the beauty of Vancouver when it's not raining. Oh no, we have one spot left, but we can't find the missing piece. Huh. Let's see how this shakes out. Wish us luck. You never guess what happened. We found the last piece inside this. Yep, Dyson vacuum cleaner. But we got what we're after. Hooray. Bye-bye. There it is. The completed puzzle in all its glory. A Van Gogh masterpiece. Relegated to a puzzle. Put together by a master puzzle assembler, my wife.
I have a name, you know.
That's right.